Alibaba has officially released Qwen Image Edit 2509, their newest and most advanced version yet. And from my tests, it's not only on par with Nano Banana, but in some cases, it's even better. In this video, I'll walk you through what it can do, where it still struggles, and step by step how you can start using it, completely free, offline, and without limits. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Qwen Image Edit? Think of it like Nano Banana, but open source. You upload reference images, add a prompt, and watch it generate exactly what you imagined.
For example, I put this photo of a female and this photo of a male and prompted it to make a wedding portrait. And here it generated it in less than a minute. You can see the character face consistency. It didn't mess up with the hair color, style, and face structure. So it can also be used for deepfakes. And here's another cool feature. I took this glowing stick model and this lost anime character and prompted it to put this man of second image in the pose given in first image. And it did a good job. It took the character in the same pose as the model I gave. However, you can see its arms, which is like chicken legs. It's because in the reference image, the arms weren't revealed. So let's try with other character. Here, I took an image of Toji and typed in this same prompt, and you can see the result is pretty good. It maintained character consistency. When you look closely, it maintains consistency even in small details.
And here is another one. I took the image of this man and this cafe and prompted, "The man is sitting in the cafe chair," and it crafted it perfectly while preserving the small details of the cafe, like this book, shelf, light, and chairs. This AI is excellent at creating deepfakes. You can use it to make you see it in a 5-star restaurant, stand beside Elon Musk, and many more. Here is another tricky prompt. I uploaded a man standing in street and an anime character, and prompted to replace this man's coat, inner, and pants outfit with the outfit worn by this anime character. But it didn't nail it. The man's face is changed, and even the dress does not look exactly same. The swords are also missing. I tested clothes swap many times, but the outcome was same. So this AI is weak at swapping clothes while maintaining consistency.
And here is another complex prompt. I inserted Ronaldo's selfie with many people in the background and typed in, "Remove all the people in the background and only show the man taking selfie." And it absolutely nailed it. It removed all the people in the background and kept other details same. It also maintained the face consistency. No one can tell that it is a fake image. And I tested its another crazy feature. I put this image and prompted, "Transform this photo into a fisheye overhead shot while preserving all people in the background." And it indeed did exactly what I told, and also maintained character consistency. The positions of the people and their reaction are consistent, including their dress. And I changed prompt to generate a depth map for this image where closer objects appear brighter. And it even nailed it perfectly with 100% accuracy. The people who are near to camera are brighter than those who are far. And the other details like positions, shapes are also same. Now it's time to test it for advertising images. I took an image of a cup of milk and prompted to create a stunning advertising for glass of milk. You can see the whole prompt here. And it generated a high-level advertisement poster for milk. It would take weeks for a professional designer to create this type of poster, but AI did it in just a minute. And it even perfectly crafted the text. It can even add text as instructed without error. So, with this AI, the end of Photoshop is near.
And here is another tricky prompt. I gave it an image full of water droplets on its lens and told it to remove all raindrops from this photo, but keep the humans and background intact. And voila, it removed all the raindrops while keeping other details same. You can see the woman looks exactly same, and even the buildings, cars, and lights are consistent. I tested its colorizing feature, and it blew my mind completely. I gave it a detailed and complex panel of One Piece manga where Whitebeard, Kaido, and Big Mom are being chased by Garp. If you look closely, it is indeed a complex image. It contains characters, text, objects in small area, but look what it generated. It colorized it perfectly without missing even the slightest detail. This is the best feature that I liked about Qwen Editor. It colorized a whole manga panel with 100% character consistency with 100% accuracy. It even kept the text consistent. I am telling you, this is the most ridiculous feature that I saw. Imagine what would happen to those who spend weeks to colorize the manga, only to know that AI can do it in less than a minute. And out of disbelief, I tried this with other images also, and in every image, it nailed perfectly. I still can't believe that this AI tool is actually free.
But this AI tool doesn't stop here. You can insert your image and turn yourself into an 80-year-old granny. You can upload a random image and add life to objects, and can make children hold that character. You can even change the font type and font color of any image while maintaining consistency. You can turn a normal photo into a professional poster, which requires thousands of dollars to create. You can even turn an old, torn-out photo into a new, clear image. And you can make any influencer carry and wear your product for free and use it for advertising. And here comes the main part that you all have been waiting. You can use this image editing model directly from their software. Just search Qwen AI in Google and click the first link. Then you enter its chatbot, which is similar to ChatGPT. Then just click Image Edit option and you are ready to go. And remember, it doesn't cost any money. And you can even use it from Hugging Face Unlimited with multiple accounts. I will give its link in the description, so make sure you check it out. You can even use it open source with full control and uncensored from ComfyUI. And if you want to be updated in the AI field, then subscribe to my channel, Jodo Sensei. And I am also going to teach you how to use AI tools like Professional and stay ahead of every trend. That's it for today. See you in the next video.